Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the price action from the daily time frame to 15 minutes time frame and mark the current trend of the price action, present support and resistance levels. Before that, let us look at the economical events calendar for today. Today is Friday, September 9th. We have medium impacting news planned for euro related currency pairs at 3 p.m. and at 6 p.m. we have high impacting news planned for Canadian dollar related currency pairs, and at 9:30 p.m. we have medium impacting news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. Let us look at the price action in dollar index. I am in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the price action in dollar index, it was continuously on a bullish trend, then retracement happened, again it started its bullish trend, again it fell breaking this previous support level of 108, then again it continued its bullish trend. Currently we are noticing the price action to bounce back from the previous resistance level on the bearish retracement. So we can expect it to take support on the previous support level of 108. Still the current price action is in a very nice bullish trend. Only when the price action breaks this support line, we can expect a bearish trend to start in 4 hours time frame in dollar index. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action in daily time frame, we have noticed in the past that price action always moves in a zigzag momentum where it goes on a bullish side, then retracement happens, again goes on a bullish side, again retracements happens, again it continues its previous trend. This is the characteristics of gold. And currently also we have noticed the price action to move on a bullish side, again retracement, again little bit higher than the previous high. It has moved up to the level of 1728, then retracement. So wait for the price action to break the previous high, which is around 1728, and if today's candle breaks the previous high of 1728, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in daily time frame. Otherwise we can expect a consolidation similar to this, where the price action has consolidated for some time, then it started its directional momentum. Currently we are noticing the price action to be consolidating within this support and resistance levels, and once the price action breaks this previous high, we can expect a directional momentum to start in daily time frame also. Currently it has taken support on the green color support line from the bearish channel pattern. So as long as the price action is trading above this support line, it will be a continuation of the bullish side retracement, and wait for the price action to break this support line to take chase on the bearish side retracement. Again this level between 1690 to 1680 will be acting as a very strong support when the price action bounces back on the bearish side retracement, and only when the price action breaks this support zone, we can expect a bearish trend to continue in daily time frame. Currently the price action has taken support on the previous support level, and it is trying to bounce back on the bullish side retracement in daily time frame. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for daily time frame price action. Currently the price action has taken support on the support level of 1707, and we are noticing it to retrace on the bullish side retracement. As long as the price action is trading above this support level, we can expect a bullish side retracement to continue, and the confirmation on the further continuation of the bullish trend will come only when it breaks the previous resistance level of 1728. Let us do the price action analysis for 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, again I am drawing a resistance line over here, connecting the highs of the previous price action. The price action had momentarily broken this resistance line, and it has bounced back on the bearish side retracement. But when we notice a retracement also, it has not broken the previous low, which means that it is still in a bullish trend. And if the bullish trend continues, next level of resistance from the daily time frame is going to be around 1728. And if the price action fails to break the previous high of 1728, we can expect the price action to consolidate within this resistance and support level. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, we have noticed a price action to take support on the support level of 1688 and to trend on the bullish side retracement. Again, we are noticing it to bounce back on the bearish side retracement and to take support on the support level of 1707. Currently, we are noticing the bullish side retracement to start. And when we look at the overall price action in hourly time frame, it is trading within the support level of 1688 and the resistance level of 1728 on a sideways price action. Here we have the 4 hours time frame resistance lines. Wait for the price action to break this resistance line in order to continue trading on the bullish side retracement, and the confirmation on the continuation of the bullish side retracement will come only when the price action breaks the previous high of 1728. And next level of resistance from the higher time frame is going to be around 1743. And if the price action doesn't manage to break this resistance level of 1728, we can expect the sideways price action to continue in hourly time frame also. Wait for the price action to break the previous low of 1707 in order to take trades on the bearish side retracement. And next level of support from the daily time frame is going to be around 1688. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. So wait for the price action to break the previous high of 1728 in order to get the confirmation on the continuation of the bullish side retracement, or wait for the price action to break the previous low of 1688 in order to get the confirmation on the bearish side trend to continue. Otherwise, we can expect the price action to be trading within this support and resistance levels on the sideways price action, which means that you will see both bullish trend and the bearish trend to happen within this range. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, I am drawing a bullish channel pattern, and we have noticed a price action to take support on this trend line or the support line and to trend on the bullish side retracement. And as long as the price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern, we can expect the bullish side trend to continue in 30 minutes time frame. Within this bullish channel also, we have lots of resistance from the higher time frames running over here. So wait for the price action to break these resistance levels in order to continue trading on the bullish side retracement, and only when the price action breaks a higher time frame, we can expect the further continuation of the bullish trend within this bullish channel pattern. And once the price action breaks this bullish channel pattern support line, we can expect the bearish side retracement to start in 30 minutes time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. So I would recommend you to wait for the price action to break this support line in order to take trades on the bearish side, or wait for the price action to break this resistance line from the 4 hours time frame in order to continue trading on the bullish side retracement. Let us do the analysis in 15 minutes time frame. I am in 15 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action, it was in a very strong bearish trend and it has taken support on the bullish channel pattern support line from the 30 minutes time frame, and currently we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. Previously the price action had consolidated within this resistance line and the support line, and currently it has given a breakout from this consolidation on the bullish side retracement. So even if the price action bounces back on the bearish side, we can expect the price action to take support on the support level of 1711. Only when the price action breaks this support line, we can expect a bearish side trend reversal to start in 15 minutes time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 15 minutes time frame. Currently the price action has broken this green color resistance line from the daily time frame and it is on a bullish side retracement. Wait for the price action to break the 4 hours time frame resistance line over here in order to continue trading on the bullish side retracement. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.